I often use this dish. It is easy and quick and nutritious. So this is one of my favorite dish. And if you never use oyster sauce, maybe this is a chance. You will like this dish. Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make broccoli and oyster sauce stir fry. Tip for this dish is when you put broccoli in the boiling water, you don't leave there for a long time. If the broccoli color change, you take out and as soon as possible. You don't want to have soggy broccoli. You want to somewhat crunchy one. So the next time when you stir fry, you still cooking in the frying pan. So that's important, and that is a tip. So this is how to make broccoli and oyster sauce stir fry. It is easy, right? If you like my YouTube channel, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.